Club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know
I
know you're brown. Start the show like that.
Woo!
His Imperial Majesty. Good morning, everyone.
And Empress Menen the first, crowned the same time, King and Queen. Yeah. Okay. Good morning!
Good morning. Say, everybody.
Good morning! Good morning!
We'll start the year with a new woman.
And yes. And tell them who we are. Team what?
Team Express.
Yes, X-Tal and
Empress. So E-X-P-R-E.
I say your name, X-Tal?
X-Tal.
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 X-Tal and Empress. So we are Team Express.
E-X-P-R-E-Z.
Express. Team Express. Good morning, Jamaica. It's good to be here. Sakina is somewhere in the cold, but it's very cold here, Dwayne.
It's not that cold in the studio because in the Master Brown have on jacket from him neck to him.
Brown camera 4.
Yeah,
yes. Mr. Equal Rights and Justice.
Said the man have on a jacket. Find him now.
Find him now. Right over there.
Watch it.
That's coming. Let them see you.
I said the man dressed up in a piece of jacket.
But it's cold.
It's cold outside.
It's very cold. Yeah. I haven't felt cold like that. And it was drizzling the other morning, and I looked out and I thought it was snowing in Jamaica for the first time.
It was drizzling this morning. But you know, I've experienced cold before because I went to school in Texas. But it's chilly.
But it was chilly.
Breeze.
Yes, so you got to wrap up and stay warm. But it's good to be here with you on a Saturday. I think it's the first Saturday we've done.
After a little escapade.
Yes. My hips and my waist are still sore. But that was a good game.
Yeah,
what was that? What was that? Smile in the Yard?
Smile in the Yard.
That was fun, yes. Just follow the smile pages to see Team Express and how we do it. But it's been a great Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I haven't seen you since the New Year. No,
I haven't.
How was it for you?
It was good.
How was the holiday?
I spent a lot of time with family, so I was with family.
Family is important.
Yeah, this time of year.
Do you have a family of your own, like kids and so?
No, I don't.
No. Do you want kids extra? Because you you want 5 kids? Oh my gosh, I used to want 6, but guess what?
But you're on the way.
No. Stop me body. 2. I love my 2.
After you go on the half a tree, I'm not sure still go on one.
Don't say these things, so my husband could be watching and I know he wants one more at least. Oh, my body.
How was your New Year?
You would make really good children.
Yeah, we were talking about decent genes.
You have decent genes. I know the girls talk about your brother and other family members. So you should have children because you know the genes are strong and good.
So, every year people make resolution and things. You have none for this year?
I do have some resolutions, Dwayne. I do. I have quite a few. I want us to not get stressed out. Sometimes you're in the middle of something and you freak out and everybody around you it's just chaotic and everybody's stressed out because you've just, the energy that you give off, everybody is affected by it. So whenever a lot's going on, my New Year's resolution is to calm. But Mr. DJ play some music. You just want to dance,
keep calm.
I'm
going to play Benjamin music.
Hey, morning, DJ. We'll soon come talk to you.
Hey, actually, DJ Remix, I think is the tallest DJ that has been here. I'm doing with the stand.
Oh, he doesn't use the stand. How tall is he? 6 something?
DJ will probably be like 6'4".
6'9"?
Man, a wicked day, man.
Let's see how.
We're going to see, man. We're going to start right beside you. We're going to start right beside you.
How tall are you?
6 even.
6 even?
Yeah.
Well, I'm 6 in my heels, you know what I mean? Hey, so let me ask you something, Nike. I remember the first time when you did Saturday Smile, the first time you were watching, and I was working with Shaggy that day, and you were right over there. And I said, look at this guy, and you've really done well. Bless up yourself. I love to see you on a Saturday.
Done well, man.
Yeah, man. So big up all X-Tall's friends watching this morning.
Okay. So it's not too late to get started on your vision board. The AIM lady herself, Nicole McLaren Campbell, stops by to get you started.
I love that, yes. And then getting started on your fitness goals, we get the tips for beginners later on.
I said this to Kia, that I feel like she's hinting every single week.
Because you're doing the fitness interviews all the time.
Like, I know I'm getting a little round in the tummy.
Really? You know.
I know why that happens.
Why?
Because we can't leave out food.
Oh gosh, yes, we can't leave out the food.
Chef Halim
so
Card.
she brings the food, then she has to bring the workout to balance it out. And yes.
So Chef Halim Card will be here with us later today.
Excellent.
So she bring the food and she have the workout.
She have the workout. Yeah. Kia is our producer, so blame her. If you think that X-Doll needs to work out or doesn't need to work out, talk to Kia. Let me see. No, man, it's still tough, man. Tough like board. DJ Remix, we called his name earlier, is on the turntables, and he's going to keep us pumped the entire show. Weekend Smile starts right now. My people, my people, my people.
For that, you know.
You were ready?
So lots coming up on the show today, but first, let's get through some of the trending topics.
So yesterday, Shaggy stopped by with Sting to visit Simonev for a good feel-good Friday. But after that, Shaggy got his friends together that's Wyclef, John, and Sting, and others to visit the Bustamante Hospital for Children ahead of tonight's concert, raising funds for the hospital's intensive care unit, ICU, which lacks beds. I know they... yeah, they do. And I have visited that hospital, and they do need a lot. Sting, having visited many hospitals in the world, exclaimed that you need more facilities here, as he could not believe that the ICU unit only had five beds at the time of the visit. And Wyclef also told the Gleaner that the main thing we have to understand, economical freedom is really important, he said, but we've turned into international beggars by raising the cost for the entire Caribbean. Now, what does he mean by that? What I'd like to see is a true awakening, he says. That is when the diaspora awakes. So basically, I like the fact that Shaggy has brought the international entertainers to see.
What I really like, though, is that they are using their platform to give back, to bring awareness.
Yes.
Because how can the ICU just have five beds? And I know you know a lot about it because you're involved in that way. You know, so it's something I love to see from the musicians.
Yeah.
They have the platform. They have the eyes and ears of everyone.
Exactly. They have the power.
Yeah.
They have the power to do it. So I'm thankful for Shaggy and his whole entire family, his wife by his side that runs a lot of the behind the scenes business of it, and in front I want to big her up as well, because it does take a team to make it happen. But let's hope all our children will be healed and we'll have better facilities after the concert.
Indeed.
Yes.
Okay, so once again, China has taken things to the next level, literally. The country recently opened the world's longest glass floor bridge. And yes, it's all completely designed out of glass.
What?
The newly added attraction made its anticipated debut at the Hong Kong Yagu scenic area in North China's province, drawing thousands of tourists to see the grand reveal. All right, so I'm going to stop right there, because a glass bridge...
That bridge, you mean like for people to walk on or for people to drive?
For walk, 1,600 foot long.
To walk on?
Yeah, 715 feet high.
Jeez.
Me now walk on that.
Oh.
13 feet wide.
Well, I guess.
Me now walk on that.
Is there anything China cannot do is the question?
It no matter. Me now walk.
You know, you will walk.
No.
You see everybody else walking on it. No, man, you'll walk on it.
See the picture? One, I'm afraid of heights.
Let me see that.
And then
my
glass,
gosh.
you don't trust nothing when I'm on there. Especially made in China.
Oh, that's not funny. That's not funny.
No, sir.
Talk about that. Are our highways still standing up or are they falling down? They're
Last time I
okay?
checked,
They were still standing out.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just want to put that
Now
out
up
there.
on the bridge.
It holds up to
3,000. What, pounds?
people.
No, 3,000 pounds. Yeah.
Oh.
For safety reasons, constructors have enforced that only 600 people travel along the bridge at once. 600?
No, sir.
Now up on that.
No, I'm good. I'm good there. Let's keep going now and talk about the Iguanocalypse in Florida. Have you seen the iguanas falling out the tree? They get stunned by the cold and they get frozen and then they drop and they're running all over the place. A reptile keeper in Palm Beach County Zoo says the cold-blooded animals get stunned. The cold temperatures are sweeping the nation. The iguanas cannot manage. They're literally frozen and they're not dead necessarily when they hit the ground.
Oh, they're not dead?
No, not necessarily. They're still able to do bodily functions, but very slow. That's so sad.
Yeah, but the cold is beat in America, but you know, Boston,
Yeah.
New York.
But what is it? And that's why I've recently got involved with educating I want to be more educated about climate change and how, the temperatures will rise and, between the heat and the cold over the next 20 years. And how do we prepare our bodies, wildlife for that?
The U.S. president said climate change not real, so,
The U.S. president is
I
something
thought about
else.
iguanas. I know countries would love to have those iguanas.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the other day I was telling my son, people eat all kind of things, son. He goes, Mommy, which country eat roaches? I'm like, Well, in China they do eat a lot of everything. Everything that crawls, pretty much. And I was explaining to him that in different countries, like in France, they eat snails, escargot.
Escargot.
And then something else.
Escargot.
Do you eat escargot?
No.
I saw some snails outside my house. I saw a frog outside my house yesterday.
Spring chicken.
Spring chicken. Would you eat frogs? You eat frogs? Anybody in there eat frogs?
Brown.
Brown eats frogs.
Yeah, brown eats frog legs.
Frog legs. All right.
What do you think about those stories? Let us know on our social media pages, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. That's a wrap for Trending Topics. Bro.
Him have the blue, him have the black, him have the grey one. Remix not just you, you a pagan. Them man they chat rubbish, waste man. Yo, that dub ya leaf full like bizzle. The gal them a go and body in the middle. It's no joke like Riddle. She won't get high, MD Dizzle. Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise. I really ain't down Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise, remix with the gal. Cool, man shoulder for your flick. Yeah, that's bad too. Gal your shoulder for your flick. Listen.